Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kay.
And this is Jay.
And as you can see, we have some Grossery and Corny chips and some crusty chocolate bars. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that.
I'll go ahead and start with a crunchy bar right here. Or a crusty bar. Scissors. Oh, this one feels like a hamburger maybe? Yes, it is.
It's a chicken sandwich hamburger.
Was it the horrid hamburger?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a duplicate. And then we got the barf biscuit. I can get him out.
Which is a duplicate.
Yeah, but he's still really cool looking.
And the first one that we've got is the snotty tissues.
Snot good tissues.
Oh, snot good tissues.
And that is a duplicate.
He's got snot all over his face.
It's so gross.
And our next one is a Dodge donut. And I think
that is a duplicate.
Yep. Poops, lots of duplicates. Okay, so we are gonna take a quick pause break here, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up and get this ready for you guys to see without killing your eardrums. Okay, and we're back. And we will start off with this one is a tasteless tart. And that's a duplicate. And we have a puke cookie. And that's a duplicate. We have a bad soy. And this is a duplicate. We have stinky cheese. Stinky cheese is duplicate. And the snot good tissues, also duplicate. And then we have, this is the leaky juice, and this one is a new color. So I think we have all three colors of the leaky juice
There's
now.
only two of each.
Well, plus the exclusive color,
Oh,
right?
yeah,
So we do have all three of that one then. Stick him there. And we have, this one is the sickly salsa. I think this is a new one.
No, we have that.
No, we have this one. Pew. And our last visible is a sticky.
And it is chewed candy.
Chewed candy.
Already been chewed.
Nasty. But he's really cute. See-through and very, very sticky. And we have two hidden ones.
Go ahead and start with this one. Oh, this one's really, really hard. Scissors. Oops, sorry about that. It's the mushroom. What's the mushroom called?
It is the mushy mushroom.
And unfortunately, this is the same one we have. No matter how cool he is. There.
And our last one if you get out. And this one is
gooey
chewy. Super sticky and super gross. And this is a new one for us. Alright, so there we go. We got a couple of new ones. And I have to say that my favorite is the chewed candy.
I think my favorite's the mushroom, even though we already had him.
Alrighty, so let us know in the comment section down below what your favorite one was. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And keep checking back to see what we'll do next. Bye.